Do you think that this hat is worth $10,000? I do. Now, not this one single hat specifically, but in a more general sense. Think it's worth 10K? Personally, I think it's worth that and much more. And before you come after me in the comments, let me explain myself. I am a big believer in upselling. We have a whole video on it, which is linked in the description below, by the way. Now, in that video, we talk about the different types of upselling. Personally, I love offering my customers additional products. So when somebody orders t-shirts, I always offer them a deal if they want to add some hats as well. This brings in more revenue than just adding an additional hit on the t-shirt order or an extra location. Now let me explain using a little thing I just discovered called math. So let's say you have an order for 20 t-shirts, the full color, one location, and it's on a decent shirt. Your all-in cost and materials for each shirt is gonna be around $9 a piece. Now for a job like this, you should not be charging anything less than $16 a tee. That means you're gonna make about 140 bucks on this job. Not bad, but what if we doubled that? The cool thing about trucker hats is that they run about the same price as a t-shirt, but you don't have to spend as much on the transfers since the imprint area is much smaller. So our cost per piece drops over 30% to just a hair over $6, and we could easily charge $15 a piece. So we actually end up with better margins on our hats than our t-shirts, profiting almost $9 a piece. Now, let's say this client accepts your offer, they order the hats to go with the shirts. I just turned a $140 profit into nearly $320. It's not bad, huh? So even if we round up, that's still only $180 profit from this trucker hat. Now, I'm not Einstein, but I know that $180 does not equal $10,000. So why do I think this trucker hat's worth 10K? Well, these numbers are for just one order. Now, I know you're doing more than one order a month. Well, I hope you are. I also know that you're not gonna upsell hats on every order, but I further know that it's very possible you're gonna get orders for just hats. So let's say you do 10 orders of 10 hats per month. This is where things get very, very interesting because that's $897 per month just from this trucker hat. And if we math the maths a little further, we'll find out that yes, 897 times 12 equals over $10,000 per year in profit. Kind of makes you look at this trucker hat just a little bit different, doesn't it? Now, I'm positive there are other 10K products out there. What other non-t-shirt products do you use that get over $10,000 per year for your business? I'd love to hear about them in the comments. And if you're looking for more Heat Press content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell while you're at it. For all your heat transfer equipment and supplies, be sure to visit heatpressnation.com.